Welcome to Master Airbrush. Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 Dual Fan Air Compressor Kit with 3 airbrushes. Includes 3 different Master Airbrush airbrushes, models E91, G22, and G25. Includes powerful 1/5 horsepower single-piston compressor, featuring 2 built-in cooling fans, designed to run much cooler, allowing for longer continuous run time without overheating. Pressure regulator with gauge and water trap filter. Easily attach the included compressor-mounted triple airbrush holder. Convenient carry handle. The kit also includes a 6-foot braided air hose with 1/8-inch fittings. Great for all skill levels, from beginners to professionals. Scan QR code to check out all of what Master Airbrush has to offer. Thanks for checking us out. Subscribe to keep up to date with our latest products.